friends, and welcome back, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Joanne. Today I am taking everything out of my dining room and moving my living room stuff into my dining room. And the reason why I'm doing that is for the holidays. For when I have family and friends come over, we are going to be using my living room as the dining room. I am getting rid of all of my Halloween decor that was in my dining room, and it is a lot. And I am moving the hutch into the fireplace room, aka the living room. Then I have to move my gigantic hutch that holds all of my ceramic decor. Actually, not all of it. It's actually a portion of it because I have a lot of decorations also in the attic. And it's going to look crazy in a little while, but it will get better. Stick around to the end because you are going to see a really neat transformation. Also, I got a new stick vacuum, so I'm excited to show you that, and that's also at the end of the video. I really love this china hutch. I got this from a friend, paid like $100 for it, and it was originally that dark espresso color that you see on the shelf, but I painted it and then I gave it that chippy look, and I took the doors off of it, the glass doors, and for a while I had the glass doors on my wall in the living room on either side of the TV. But I put them in the guest bedroom for now, and I may or may not put the doors back on it. I'm not sure yet. So this is the giant hutch that I was talking about, and I'm going to have Shane move it into the office. That way I have more room in the dining room to be a living room. It's like I'm playing musical rooms instead of musical chairs. I'm just like swapping rooms out. So eventually, in probably January, I am going to do a major declutter. And one of the things I'm going to do a huge declutter on is all of the decor in here. And I would say about 70% of it is Rae Dunn, which I don't collect anymore. The only Rae Dunn that I really still want is the typewriter print. That's what I really love. I think that the reason why I started with Rae Dunn in the first place is because it was just fun for the hunt. I really liked going and hunting and finding it. And it's kind of, it's cute. It's pretty too. And if you just style it right, it looks really good. But I think that it definitely became an overdone type thing. And it caused a lot of arguments between my husband and I, to be honest, and I know that it did that for a lot of my friends, and so I don't collect it anymore because it's not worth it to me. I still have a lot of pieces that I'm going to keep just because I actually do really like them. But it's going to be hard. It's hard for me to let go of things like this, so. Well, we'll see in January. Yay, I got the top half done. And I still have to do the bottom half. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm so ashamed. And this is the room that I'm putting the dining room table in. And then this is where we had Thanksgiving dinner. And then I moved the hutch over, or Shane moved the hutch over for me. And all that is going in there. I started decorating it for Christmas. There you go. And then I ended up changing it all. I didn't like all those canisters like that, so I changed it. But it does look pretty like that. It's just not how I want it. So then all this cute stuff, I decided that I want to put in there. And actually, I'm going to make that for a separate video. Back to this. Oh my goodness. It was very overwhelming. This took me a couple of days to do. Yay, look, I made a dent. So basically we moved the hutch over and then I moved everything back into the hutch. There it is. Wow. The stuff that's on the coffee table, I think I'm going to sell or donate. I'm not sure which one. I guess if it doesn't sell, I have to donate it. This was before I had a stick vacuum. And there's my kitty cat. That's Miss Dobby. Dobby loves socks. That's why we call her Dobby. And she's playing with her little toy. She loves that bird on a stick. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, the table is clear and the shelf is clear. That was a lot of work in those little tiny clips. And then here's Jasmine pulling the couch for me. Jasmine's my 19-year-old. Oh my goodness. And then we also put the rug in. That was fun. Aaron had to help. He had to be the monkey in the middle to help bring that rug in. I added tables to the side and like a little tier tray thing and a lamp and, you know, pillows. And then I also moved in my massage chair. Well, my husband's massage chair. So I moved that in there too. And then this used to be for my shoes by the front door. And I moved it over here and then put all of my homeschool stuff inside of it. And as you can see, it got trashed very easily. So I was like, okay, well, let's go ahead and clean this up and then decorate it for Christmas. my goodness, I'm so excited. I just got the Shark Cordless Vertex Pro. And I just pulled it out. I gotta unwrap everything and put it to work. I'm excited. Okay, I unwrapped everything. Look at the brush. That's really neat. And then it's got this thing. That is so cool. And this. Okay, I'm gonna put it together. Oh, this thing too.
Which one?
Pretty neat. It's already got some charge to it. Let's see. Cool. That's neat. It got the curtain. I tried to pull the curtain out of the way, but okay. Now I want to take this trash can out. That's how much dirt was on my rug. That's a lot. Wow. Let's go dump it. Okay, I'm trying to do this with only one hand, but that lever right there, you push on it. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of dirt. Wow. Okay, let's do this again. Watch this. I'm going to use the flex feature. Look at that. It goes under the furniture. It's so cool. Yeah, so I'm doing round 2 and it got about not nearly as much as I got the first round. I purposely did not vacuum for like 4 days because I was waiting for this vacuum to come and I wanted to see how good it really was going to do. And it did very well. And that's what you see right there on the next go over. So yeah, it did really well the first try. Well, that wraps up the video. I'm gonna do a decorate with me on the same room. So stay tuned for that video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.